Got imitation crab today. Lemon. First bite for you. More lemon, y'all. Egg. Sometimes when I'm eating imitation crab, I think about the times where I didn't like it. What a time, y'all. Cheers. I guess it's just all about how you make it, y'all. Like the sauce that you put with it, it has to be good. Cheers. So in my opinion, the imitation crab, it tastes a lot better when you bite it like once. Like you just eat it once instead of like no. I want the whole thing in my mouth. This has some enoki mushrooms in it. Cause this is my